Are you currently facing a dilemma or struggling to make a decision between two options? If so, this meditation is designed to help you connect with your inner wisdom and make a choice that aligns with your truth. Now find a comfortable sitting position. Check in. Make sure your spine is upright. Soften your shoulder and relax the muscles on your face. As you settle into this moment, bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Notice how it flows effortlessly in and out of your body. With each inhale, imagine breathing in clarity and peace. And with each exhale, release any doubts or worries you may be carrying. Now I invite you to visualize yourself in a peaceful, natural setting. Perhaps you're standing in a scenery forest, feeling the gentle breeze on your skin. Or sitting by the shore of a beautiful lake, listening to the soothing sounds of water lapping against the shore. Whatever resonates you, allow yourself to fully immerse in it, feeling a sense of grounding and connection to this present moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring to mind the decision or dilemma that's been weighing on your mind. Without judgment or attachment, simply observe the thoughts and emotions that arise. Notice any sensations in your body, whether it's tension in your muscles or butterflies in your stomach. Acknowledge those feelings with compassion, knowing that it's natural to feel uncertain at times. Now imagine yourself standing at a crossroads with two paths stretching out before you. Each path represents a different choice or option in your decision. Take a moment to observe those paths. Notice any feelings or sensations that arise in your body as you consider each one. Trust in your body's wisdom to guide you towards the path that feels most aligned with your trusted self. With this awareness, tune into your body and notice any subtle cues or inclinations pulling you in a particular direction. Trust in your intuition to lead you towards the path that resonates most deeply with your heart and soul. Know that your body holds valuable wisdom and insight, guiding you towards the decision that's in alignment with your highest good. If for some reason this decision is still not yet clear, repeat this process. Trust your body, and you will find the right answer. Now, at the very end of this meditation, I invite you close your palms loosely in front of your heart. Send gratitude to yourself to spend time look inward and to trust yourself. Now when you're ready, you can gently bring your awareness back to your room. Slowly open your eyes. Hopefully this guided meditation help you feel refreshed and empowered to move forward with clarity and confidence. I'm your wellness coach, Ling. I help busy professionals to manage stress and turn stress to strength. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you next time. Namaste.